Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. And my friends, I was not able to post yesterday because I run two other YouTube channels, and my filmer / editor was using the computer to edit, which is amazing. It's beautiful. And we have seen a nice little correction going on here. Those of you in the Patreon, I have been updating you. So if you're in the Patreon, you've been golden this whole time. Just you guys on the YouTube, you have not been getting those updates. So this is just a good, nice, in-depth overview of what has gone on in the last day and what is going on in this current moment in time. We are seeing nice red candles with volume coming down to test this support level at the 10s, 11s, okay? Now, we are at 11 right now, and we could very well break through the bottom, okay? But this is an extremely important time. We want to see strong buying pressure around these 11s here. Let's go to an even smaller time frame. This is some day trading action right here. Now, this is very important. You guys who are taking the course, you guys know how to identify these type of support levels and what to look for once it comes down here, in order to see that this is a strong support level. Now, it's called reading the tape. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much looking at the order book. So all of the buy and sell orders in a very small time frame and riding with the whales. Let's say, yeah, okay. Let me just explain this. This is like kind of a sneak peek behind the course, but you know, I like you guys, so I'll share this information. So an order book is, it tells you when major people are buying and selling and what price they're doing it at. So if we see that at this 11 we have major bids, which means people are bidding that they're going to buy at the 11 level, right? We have major whales that are going to buy at the 11. Once it hits it and it gets pushed higher, that's when you want to get in. You want to buy a market order and ride that up. And you can set up hotkeys, so it's a whole thing, my friends. But that's more day trading. We are on this YouTube channel. We are here for the swing trade, the long-term, monthly plays, weekly plays. We're just waiting for this next spike, pretty much. But if you want to learn how to day trade, it could be anything. It doesn't even have to be day trading. But check out that technical analysis course. It is currently 50% off Christmas special, okay? Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Let's get straight into the analysis. These are the 1 hourly candles, all right? Major price action here. We are seeing some support around this 11s. Now, if we break through these 11s, we will be heading back down to these 10s, all right? Now, the 10s are going to be a line of support we want to watch here. This horizontal line is the 10, all right? That is major psychological support. We will most likely see buying pressure before it hits this 10 level. All right. If it drops through there, our next level of support is around this 1040 level. Now, this is very, very small time frames. But yes, if you guys are looking for the best price, then really pay attention to this. Okay, this is what we want to look for in order to get the best price so you can get the best bang for your buck. All right. We are currently testing the 11s. What we want to see in the next hour to 2 hours is this come up and close above this previous red candle here, all right? We want to see it close above this previous resistance at the 1132 level. That will indicate we have upward momentum. We have buying pressure, and the whales are stepping in to make this 11 level the new floor, all right? Now, if it does end up breaking this 11, then we need to watch. And I'll show you exactly what we need to watch right here. I'm pulling out the fib tool. Swing low to swing high. Look at this perfect retracement, all right? We want to watch for this to come down to this 1025, all right? Now, once it comes down to this 1025, the best thing that can happen is it to push off with volume, big green candle, just like this one, just like one of these, big green candle with volume, all right? That's what we want to see. The volume is tapering down because the market is in a slight correction right now. which it's a beautiful buying opportunity in any coin you're looking at, especially this one, especially Dogelon Mars. But let me make it real simple. I'll draw it out for you guys. So in the next 2 hours, if we see a push to the upside closing above this 1130 level, that's a strong indication that this 11 level is our new floor for the whales. The whales, they will have a hard time pushing below this. However, if it breaks this 11 level and starts to show a nice little sell-off, a discount on our prices here, then we want to watch this 1027 level, 1025 level, this 0.786 Fibonacci level, okay? Swing low, swing high, 0.786. That's the next thing we need to look for. Once it starts approaching this, personally, I will be averaging in if it does break down to this lower side. I'll be averaging in as it approaches the 0.786. However, if you want to play it more safe, what you can do is wait for that confirmation, that big green candle, or consecutive big green candles. I will keep you guys updated if there's any technical indicator chart patterns like a 3-bar play or a bullish flag or bearish wrong, anything like that. I'll keep you guys updated on the YouTube channel. But pretty much what you want to see is this come down, touch this 1025 level, and push off with volume, okay? That's a beautiful sign, very beautiful. Now, once it pushes off with volume, you want to average in, all right? Because once it reaches this 0.618 Fibonacci level, it will most likely show some selling pressure. And that's when you want to really have your eyes on it. You want to have your eyes, because as it approaches your break-even point, and you're watching the tape, you won't be watching the tape, but as you're watching the candles and the selling and the volume, once it approaches your break-even point, which will most likely be around this 1050, all right, if you do get in after confirmation with the big green candle, then as it approaches this, you want to wait, all right? It's okay if it goes below and retest this 0.786. However, for it to be extremely bullish, you want to see it come up here, show a little bit of selling pressure, and then push even higher. If it doesn't do that, then you will want to consider averaging a little bit out of your position. Now, this is strictly for day traders. If you guys are holding for a month plus, any price right now will be good to get in. We are currently in a bearish market. Not a bearish market, we are in a correction. We are in a little retracement, and it's beautiful to get in anywhere along these lines. But if you want the best bang for your buck, and you are more specified to trading on smaller time frames, then these are the two options that you need to look for. Now, the third one is if it breaks through this level and comes back down to test these 10s, all right? That's what we need to look for, because if it tests the 10s, then we will be heading back down to the 9s and possibly even the 8s, which is beautiful, and I love it. I'll be averaging in the whole way because this coin is so popular. It's the third biggest meme coin on the market, and it is under $1 billion market cap. All right, look at the market cap, 611 million, my friends. I have been watching it for a long time now. I've been watching it since beginning October's, okay? And I'm still very bullish. I don't know why this is not deleting. I want to show you guys. Stay tuned. I'm trying to delete this for you guys. I don't know what's going on. I have Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm currently in the car driving to go film for my other YouTube channels. Okay, it's not, you're going to have to deal with this, but I'm just going to draw a quick fib retracement level on the overall market. The overall price action of Dogelon Mars. And we are showing strong signs at this 0.618 level still. Now, look how much it aligns to what we just drew out. Now, you can't really see because of all this going on, but the price action we just drew out is aligning nicely to this 0.618, okay? So, guys, that's what we need to look out for. We need to look out for strong buying pressure around these 11 areas in order for it to push higher. If that doesn't happen, then it will be dropping down to the 1030s. And we would like to see some more buying pressure along that Fibonacci level, the 0.618, okay? 0.786, right here. All right, stay tuned. Dogelon Mars, in-depth technical analysis by Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon if you don't know how to read the charts, or if you simply don't want to read the charts, or you simply don't have time. Check out the Patreon. There's a few spots left. I think there's around 10 to 15 spots left. So check it out, get them while you can, and I update you guys every single day, buy and sell alerts, what we need to be looking out for in the charts, if everything's looking good, if it's a buy, if you need to start averaging out, if you need to start averaging in. Now currently we're in accumulation phase, which means we will be averaging in until this next spike, okay? But yeah, also check out the course, 50% off, Christmas special. It'll teach you how to day trade, how to make money in these markets. Crypto Billionaire 69, making money in the markets for you beautiful people. Out!